Okay, folks, so I'm hoping that doing this vlog, I won't lose the ones I did yesterday. I hope not, because I don't know how I lost those other videos. I don't know, and I'm just hoping it doesn't happen again. Because I've got some nice little vlogs there. There's 9 of them, and like I say, still struggling to get them onto my computer at the moment, but I've just got to persevere with it, and I've got to try and keep, I've got to try and get it up there. But so I hope I don't lose those 9 videos before I get a chance to put them up on my new channel. Right, okay, so let's get on with this vlog. So basically, we're in my kitchen, as you can see, and I was thinking I'm going to do myself something to eat, and I'll film myself doing it. So, yeah, because I don't know. I come up with all sorts of different ideas. It might be boring to some who wants to watch me cook my food. But anyway, let's see. The thing is, you know what? Just lately, when I first moved in here, I was cooking my tea on a regular basis. But just lately, for the last maybe couple of weeks, I've not been bothering. I've just been eating sandwiches or something, or cornflakes. I've been living off cornflakes and tins of rice pudding. so tonight I've got to stop being lazy and cook myself a proper something to eat. I say proper meal, but I mean it's not a gourmet dish or anything. It's just my tomato sauce. I love that. I love my tomato sauce. Sorry, excuse me. Alright, that's all we need for now. Plus, go into here and we get Richmond pork sausages and Heinz beans. So, yeah. Right. I've also got spaghetti and Richmond pork sausages. Can you see that? Look there. But I want the beans tonight. So, right, I've got. This video, by the way, probably will split into 2 again. And I hope it doesn't knock off my other videos. Right, so, hang on. See, I did order a tripod, but it's not turned up. So, as well as the camera light and the camera, I ordered a tripod. Hopefully that will turn up eventually, but yeah. So it's going to be awkward trying to find a spot to put the camera so you can see me and see what I'm doing. Hang on, sorry. Sorry, folks. Right, let's have a look. Well, yeah, it's not ideal. Right, okay. Hang on. Let's, no, you can't. Oh, boy. No, actually, wait. See, that's why I need a tripod. It'd be a lot easier with a tripod. I'll just... Right. Because as you can appreciate, it's really difficult. It's really difficult. Oh, flipping it. Oh, dear. Oh, flipping it. Right, it's really difficult trying to do this one-handed. Right. Oh dear. I really need a tripod. I don't know. Wait. Let me try putting it on the shelf. Sorry about this, folks. See if that works. Right. Okay, so let's open the tin first. Oh, actually. Right, bear with me, guys. I need to boil some water. And that's for the eggs. Right, so that open. Right, in go the beans and sausages. There's still some beans left in there. Oh. Right. Okay. Oh, flipping it. I just realised I put it in the wrong pan. Oh no. It's supposed to go in that smaller pan. This is for the eggs. Oh. Oh well. I suppose I'll just have to do them in that. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah, I use the big pan for the eggs, and then I use the smaller pan for the beans and sausage usually. Right. Okay. So, right. I don't know. I'll put you back on the shelf. Oh wow, man. This is a very unprofessional video, isn't it? Right. Hang on. So, a little bit of water. Swirl it around so I can get the rest of the beans out of this tin. There we go. Right. Okay. So, I'm going to have to put the eggs in the small pan. And, yeah, wait until that boils. I always start the eggs off first and then leave the beans until last. So, that way I know that the eggs will be done right the way through. I can't get this package open. Oh, actually, I've just remembered I need some butter. Yeah, I cook my bacon in butter rather than oil. It's just a preference of mine. It gets too greasy, really. Mind you, it gets greasy with the butter as well, but I don't know, it doesn't taste as bad, and it's not as messy. So just a bit of butter in the frying pan. Right. Just wash up the knife. Wash as I go along, so that once I've used a tool or whatever and I don't need it anymore, I clean it up and put it away. Less washing up to do then. Well, anyway. So, right. Okay, let's just turn you guys around a bit. I think. I can't actually see. What the hell are we looking at there? Oh, hang on, wait. Right. Sorry guys. Oh, flipping that camera's wobbling all over the place, man. Right, okay. So, get this on the go. Get melting the butter. Need a fork. Some bacon. Right. Okay. So, right. Just melt the butter on the pan and then put the slice of the bacon in. This is the first time I've actually cooked in about 2 weeks. Because like I said, I've been living off cornflakes and what have you. And tins of rice pudding and so on. So, see if I can do this one-handed. Ah, wait a minute. I only have 2 slices of bacon with this. Oh, actually, I can't do it one-handed. Right, okay. Wait a minute. Right, okay, folks. These bacon grinders stuck together. Yeah, I only have 2 with this. When I'm making bacon sandwiches, bacon sarnies, I do 4. 2 slices of bread then. Right, kettle's boiled. Yeah, that's doing nicely. Right, oh, sorry. Okay, so now for the eggs. So, right. Okay, folks, so I'm now going to put the beans on. Oh, wrong one. Oh, look at that. Which one is it? This one. No, this one. No, I can't remember. It's been so long since I used this thing, I can't remember which flipping thing to turn. Right. Oh boy. Right. Okay. So, let me just get some bread out. I only have a couple of slices of bread. Can't eat too much bread. Fills me up too much. Right, hang on. So, 2 slices of bread, buttered. I'll get the butter out again in a minute. Put this back in there, back in the fridge. Right. Oh, yeah. Right. Right, I know. So you can see me at least. Well, mind you. Wait. It's a performance, this is, without a tripod. It really is. It's a heck of a performance. Like I say, I hope that tripod turns up, because like you can see, it would make life a lot easier. I could do my videos, my vlogs, a lot easier and simpler with a tripod. You'll be able to see me more, and I'll be able to move the camera around easier. But trying to do it actually. Normally I wash everything up after I've finished with it, but these eggs have been on for a long time now, and the beans are starting to bubble and boil. So trying to keep an eye on the food and keep an eye on where you guys are. See if you can, look, you can see me. Yeah. I think their eggs must be done by now. And turn them off. Right, so
I mean, this is usually quite quick. It's quite easy, quick meal to get going. Right, just get a plate. And all I need is my fork. I'll use the same fork because I'm only stirring the beans and moving the bacon off the plate onto the plate. So don't need to get another one out. Right. Okay, let's pull the water out of here. And cool these eggs down so that I can peel the shell off without burning my hands. Right. These beans are definitely hot now. Right. They're done. Right. Okay. Oh wow. This is a performance and a half. Hang on. Let's see. Is that any good? Right, I'll leave it there for a minute. My bacon's getting cold and nothing worse than cold bacon. See, like I say, with the tripod, instead of me moving out the frame, I'll be able to swivel it around and kind of keep myself in frame. Right, beans. Excuse me. Look at that, I'm burping already, I'm not even eating yet. Right, that's beans. Now just got a bit of washing up liquid in the pan and then put some hot water in it, leave it to soak whilst I'm eating, and then as soon as I've finished eating I'll come back and then I'll wash up. I don't normally wash up sort of hours later. I like to make sure I've done it before. Sorry, I'm finding it hard to concentrate on talking to the camera and doing what I'm doing at the same time. I am definitely not a woman. I can't multitask. I'm not a multitasker by any stretch of the imagination. Right. Okay. So let's peel these eggs. They're nice and cool now, so they're not hot. They're still hot, but not boiling hot. Right, okay. That's one egg. And that's two eggs. Right. Get rid of this. I hope I don't drop it on the floor. Put it in the bin. Okay. Right. Okay, so that's done. May have seemed to take a long time in the video, but oh yeah, oh sorry. Well, there's my tea, folks. 2 rashers of bacon, beans, sausage, and 2 eggs, and of course 2 rounds of bread. So, and I'm going to put tomato sauce on that as well, because I do like my tomato sauce. Right. Okay. So, like I said, hopefully I can get these up, and hopefully I haven't lost any of the others in doing this vlog, and hopefully you'll get to see me cooking my tea. Right, alright, so for the time being,
I'm going to leave it there, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.